belongings. Get ready to detrain lower level of your car. When we get into Shelby, those of you continuing on past Shelby, you'll have a quick chance here to step off the train, stretch your legs, get a quick smoke. If you do step off the train, please remain on the platform, listen for all boarding calls. Once again, if you do step off the train, remain on the platform, close to the car you exit, listen for the all boarding